Exercise 6.4, question number 1. Arrange the following decimal numbers in ascending order. Now we are going to study how to arrange decimals in ascending order. You see, for arranging decimals in ascending order now, what do we see is, first of all, only the integral part. Only the integral part of all the given numbers we see. And when all the integral parts are similar, that time we see the decimal numbers. Clear? So if you see in A, first number in that integral part is 16, then 5, 29, 2 and 21. Everywhere integral parts are different, na? So when integral part are different, no need to see the decimal part. Simply you see the integral part and write smallest to biggest. Which one will be smallest? 2, right? So 2.34. After 2, which is another digit which is the smallest, that is 5.34. After 5 we have 16.34, and then we have a 21.34, and then 29.34. Is it clear to you? So when we have the decimal numbers all same, we see the integral numbers, okay, and only in the integral numbers we'll see and write smallest to biggest. Now if you see question number B in that same ascending order, you see here integral parts all are same. Now when we have integral parts all same, what do we see is, we see the decimal part. When we have integral parts all same, we see the decimal part. Now if you see the decimal part here, what you will notice is, now in the first number we have 3 digits, second number we have 2 digits, then we have 3 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit. All the decimal parts are not similar, right? There are different digits, means unlike decimal parts are given. So when we are given with unlike decimal parts, what do we do is, first of all, change it into the like decimal. Okay, and how to change unlike into the like decimal? We will write, wherever is the maximum number, where is a 2 digit, there at the last we'll put 1 0, right? And here also at the last we'll put 1 0. Got it? Now this became 3 digit, 3 digit, 3, 3 and 3. Clear? Hereafter we will see the decimal digits. How to see? You see, here it is 0, then 6, then 0, then 0 and 2. So 6 will be the greatest number for sure. 6 is the greatest, na? So this we will write at the last. And then 2 is also the greatest, so we will not use it. We will see here, you see, 0, 0 and 0. All three are 0, 0, right? So when 10th place is 0, we will see the 100th place. 100th place is 6, 0 and 2. Now you say which one is greater? 6 is 0 or 2? 6 is the greater number. But we want to write in ascending order. So we will see from 0 and 2. So if we see 0 and 2, 0 here is in the hundredth. So 8.006 will be the first number. Then 8.020 will be the second number. And then 8.062 will be the third number. Are you getting this clear? Once again I'll tell this. If all the integral parts are same, we will see the decimal parts. We will see the decimal parts. In the decimal part, if it is given in unlike format, we will change it into the like format. And how to change in the like format? Wherever is the 2-digit number, that 2 digit will make 3 digits same as the other given numbers. Then we will compare all the decimal parts. How to compare? You see, we will start comparing with the 10th place, that is 0, 6, 0, 0, 2. 6 and 2 are the greater number. We will see 0, 0 and 0. All the 3 places 0 in the 10th. When all the 3 are 0, we will shift to the 100th. 100th is 6, 0 and 2. 6 again is greater, 2 again is greater, 0, and after that 2 and so on. Clear? Now all the zeros we have done. We are left with 2 numbers, that is 620 and 206. Which one will be smaller? We know 8.206 and at the last 8.620. Clear this thing?